Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite CAT channel Quantifiers. So in the daily DILR mornings, we are going to cover a set on binary logic today, which is a truth, teller and alternator set. Okay. If you wish to be the part of this, you need to do what is mentioned over here. Now, before we move ahead, this is the comprehensive list of the courses that we provide for CAT. Kindly go through them and you can join us with the links given in the description. Now, let's read what the set is all about. Let's go through the set once. Piklu, Chiklu, Dholu and Nilu are the four regions of a country called Afghanistan. Only three tribes, Abra, Kabra and Dabra, live in the four regions of this country. The people of Abra always tell a lie and a truthful statement alternatively. So Abra's tribe tell a lie and a Abra is truth, or lie, truth, lie. So they alternate. So they are the alternators in any order. Okay. The people of the Dabra tribe always lie. So Dabra tribe वाले लोग हमेशा ही झूठ बोलते हैं. Okay. And Kabra always tell the truth. So Kabra वाले सच बोलते हैं. And there are four people: Akbar, Birbal, Chandragupta, and Mureshwar. They came from different region of this country. When asked about the region they came from, their replies were as such. Akbar, I came from Chiklu. This is this. These are the four statements given to us. Sorry, four people statements given to us. And then it is known that exactly one of the four belongs to Dara tribe. Okay. So Dara tribe, Dabra was liar. So one of them is a liar. At least one of them is a truth teller, and at least one of them is a Abra alternator. So what do we know? We know that there is at least one liar. So liar is equal to 1. Truth teller is greater than or equal to 1, and alternator is also greater than equal to 1. So these are the two. This is a scenario. So now there are four people with us. Now, what we do in these type of questions, we make cases. How do we make cases? We assume some of them to be true, truth teller, and then we proceed. Or we look out for extreme statements. What are the extreme statements? That this person is definitely this, I am definitely this. These are called extreme statements. Okay, so statement 1, statement 2, and the region and the category. So there are four people: the Akbar, Birbal, Chandragupta, and Mureshwar. Now, their statement 1, statement 2, they are from some region and their tribe. These are the four variables I have to clear from. Now, if I see the statement, I came from Chiklu, Mureshwar came from Dolu, I came from Dolu, Chandragupta came from Chiklu. All of them have given a similar sort of statement, one among themselves, one among others. So I'm really not sure about the starting point among if I have to pick the extreme statements. So what to do in this, or how will I proceed in this? I'll assume all of them to be truth teller one by one. So let us say Akbar is a truth teller. If Akbar is a truth teller, this statement is true and this statement is also true. And then Akbar came from Chiklu. So Akbar came from Chiklu. Mureshwar came from Dolu. Mureshwar came from Dolu. These are the cases. Birbal says I came from Dolu. This is a false statement. Chandragupta came from Chiklu. So this is also a false statement because Akbar is from Chiklu. So now we have one liar. There cannot be any other liar. If there is any other liar, then we will assume that our assumption that A was a truth teller is a wrong assumption. Okay. Let's talk about Chandragupta. I came from Piklu. I am not sure about this. Akbar came from Nilu. So this is definitely false. Okay. Interesting. Mureshwar, I came from Chiklu. So this is false. And Birbal came from Piklu. I don't know. But I know that both of them are claiming Chandragupta came from Chiklu. So according to Birbal, Chandragupta is from Chiklu. Okay. And which is a false statement. Okay. So Chandragupta cannot be from Chiklu. Let us assume that this is a truth teller. ठीक है, अब इनमें से किसी एक को तो truth teller होना पड़ेगा, दोनों तो liars हो नहीं सकते. So let us say if Mureshwar is a truth teller, second statement is a truth. So he's saying Birbal is from Piklu. If Birbal is from Piklu, then Chandragupta's statement that I came from Piklu is also a false statement, which means that we have two liars with us, which is not possible. Which means this statement is definitely not true. Okay, so if this is not true, then this is false. Even in that case, there are two liars, which is not possible. Which means my assumption that Akbar was a truth teller is a wrong assumption. Okay, so let's move ahead and let's assume that Birbal is a truth teller. If Birbal is a truth teller, both the statements are truths. Birbal says, I came from Dolu. So Birbal says that he comes from Dolu. And Chandragupta came from Chiklu. Chandragupta came from Chiklu. Okay. Now, let's analyze the statement. A says I came from Chiklu. This is false. Mureshwar came from Dholu. This is also false because B is from Dholu. So A is the liar that we need. There should not be any other liar. Now, Chandragupta की statement है I came from Piklu. I don't know about this. Akbar came from Nilu. I don't know about this. Okay. Let's move ahead. Mureshwar says I came from Chiklu. This is definitely a false statement because C is from Chiklu. Birbal came from Piklu. This is also a false statement because Birbal is from Dholu. So this is also a lie. So this assumption that Akbar, that Birbal is a truth teller is also a wrong assumption because we are getting two liars following this. Let's talk about C. If Chandragupta came from Piklu, then I am assuming that they are truth tellers. So यहाँ पे मैं लिखा Piklu. And Akbar came from Nilu. So these are both the truth statement. Let's now analyze the statement. I came from Chiklu is definitely false. Mureshwar came from Dholu. I don't know about this statement. Okay. Birbal says I came from Dholu. Birbal says I came from Dholu. I am not sure. Chandragupta came from Chiklu is definitely a false statement. Okay. Mureshwar says I came from Chiklu. I don't know. Birbal came from Piklu. Birbal came from Piklu. I don't know. Okay. It is definitely false because Chandragupta is from Piklu. Now, again, if I see, I have an open end here. Anyone can be liar. So let us assume that A is a liar and let's see if the conditions are sufficient or not. Mureshwar came from Dholu. Then this must be a lie, which means Mureshwar cannot be from Dholu. Then he must be from Dholu. And he must be from Chiklu. Now let's analyze the statements. B says I came from Dholu. It is a truth statement. M says I came from Chiklu. It is a truth statement. Now my assumptions are correct. Okay, so these are my assumptions and this is my proven case that this is definitely correct. Okay. Now just to ensure that if there are not any multiple options to this, let us also analyze that Mureshwar as a truth teller. Okay, because we have 99 as cannot be determined, so we need to be double sure about this. So let's check out. Let's say Mureshwar is a truth teller. Okay. Then I came from Chiklu. Mureshwar came from Chiklu. Birbal came from Piklu. Let's analyze the statement. Akbar says I came from Chiklu is a false statement. Mureshwar from Dholu is a false statement. Okay. Birbal says I came from Dholu is a false statement. Chandragupta is from Chiklu is also a false statement. So these are both the false statements. So this is again a false case, which means my only true case was this previous one, in which I had assumed C to be the truth teller. And when C was the truth teller, what was my arrangement? My arrangement was this is a truth teller, this is a truth teller. I came from Piklu. Akbar came from Nilu. Akbar's second statement was false, so this was Dholu. And this was the fourth tribe, that is Chiklu. And A's both statements were false. B's first statement was true, second was false, and M's first statement was true, second was false. So now let's see who's from which tribe. The truth teller is Kabra tribe. Okay, the people of Kabra always try truth. So truth teller, this is Kabra. Okay. The always lying people were who? Dabra always lie. So these are Dabra. And the first tribe, that is Abra. These are Abra. Now, who among the following is Kabra? Who among the following is Kabra? So Kabra is Chiklu. Chiklu is Kabra. Sorry, not Chiklu, Chandragupta. Sorry, I am talking about the region. Chandragupta is Kabra. Who came from Nilu? Who came from Nilu? A. Akbar came from Nilu. To which religion does the Mureshwar belong? Does Mureshwar belongs to Chiklu? So this completes my step. So the basic thing is we have to assume a starting point and proceed. So before we end, if you wish to be the part of this legacy, join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.